and welcome to the Mathly YouTube channel. The following video was recorded by one of our staff members live at one of our contests.
Let k be an arbitrary positive real number. The equation cube root of x plus k minus cube root of x minus k equals k has at least one real solution for x. The maximum value of k can be written as the square root of n, where n is a positive whole number. What is the value of n? So just rewrote this equation for me to work with. We want to eliminate these cube roots because we don't particularly want to work. Work with them. So we're going to move them to the other side and cube root both sides. We can use the binomial theorem to expand the right side. We get x minus k plus 3 times the cube root of x minus k squared times k plus 3 times cube root of x minus k times k squared plus k cubed. We can eliminate the x's on both sides, and we can move over the k's on the other side. We get k cubed minus 2k plus 3 times the cube root of x minus k squared times k plus 3 times the cube root of x minus k times k squared. That's going to be 0. Let's let the variable y be the cube root of x minus k to get rid of it, and so it's easier to work with, and so we can see a basically quadratic equation in k. So we see that we get we rewrite it from decreasing degrees. We see that we get 3ky squared plus 3yk squared plus k cubed minus 2k is equals 0. And so we see we have a quadratic with coefficients 3k squared, and k cubed minus 2k for coefficients of our quadratic, linear, and constant term. We see that since k is an arbitrary positive real number and has one real solution for x, y must be also a real number since we're taking the cube root of it. So that means the discriminant of this quadratic has to be greater than 0 or greater than or equal to 0 or non-negative. And so we'll work out the discriminant. That's just b squared minus 4ac, which is greater than 0. B is 3k squared, and a is 3k. C is k cubed minus 2k. That's greater than 0. We get 9k to the 4th minus 12k times k cubed minus 2k greater than 0. We can factor out a 3k out here. We get 3k squared. We get 3k squared minus 4 times k squared minus 2. But k is positive, and so k can't be 0, so we can safely eliminate this factor. We get 3k squared minus 4k squared plus 8 greater than 0, negative k squared plus 8 greater than 0. 8 is greater than or equal to k squared, and since k is positive, that means 0 is less than, we don't include 0, 0 is not positive, is less than k, is less than or equal to the square root of 8, and that means n equals 8. That's our maximum. We're done.
Hi, everybody. This is Tim. Hope you're enjoying our videos. If so, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, turn on notifications, all that sort of thing. But what I'd really want to invite you to do is to send us an email at media@mathleague.org. Tell us which problems you'd like to see us cover next in our video series. Take care and see you in the next video.